it's got all these lights on dash, and it just doesn't want to go much. Yeah, definitely not much power there. And we'll have a look at the diagnostics, what it says. So yeah, so the engine light is flashing like so. I've got the engine. Okay, let's have a look at this Misfire on cylinder 4. So it's gonna either be the ignition coil or the injector. Let's have a look. This is number 4, and as you can see, there is no difference. No difference. While number 1 and number 3. Okay, so I've changed the ignition coil from 4 to 3 and 3 to 4. Let's see if it still does it. Okay, so yeah, ignition coil's gone. Yeah, ignition coil's gone. Okay, so this is the one that was not firing, and this is the new one. Okay, so let's put that one on there. So this is the new one. Okay, let's put the plug back on and the screw back on, and it's just as easy. 6. Okay, so it's resetted all 7 systems and there are no faults found. Okay, so let's restart this. Okay, turn it on, and all lights should disappear. Okay, that's it. Yeah, okay, that's good.